Hello YouTubers, here's my preheated blankets. I'm gonna show you what I'm using because this is my expediting van, and this is my bedroom, as you can see it. And at winter time, as you can understand, it gets pretty cold. So here's what I'm using to heat myself off. I don't have any like auxiliary heater or anything like that. I'm using the just the van running. The coldest winter I've been to, it was like 20 below zero. I was 2 winters ago in North Dakota, and what helped me to survive that winter was this blanket over here. It comes in a little case like that, but obviously it don't survive for much time, and that's all it is. I mean, there's no really much information. I guess the company name is Stalwart, and it survived 2 winters. It feels pretty good, but the whole idea for this blanket, it's designed to go on top, and as you can see it, I'm using on my mattress. It's a little bit smaller, I guess shorter than the mattress and wider than the mattress. So I've been using it like that and laying on top of it. So it survived 2 winters, and now it doesn't work. I'm not sure, maybe I'm too big and I don't know if you can see it. See, this is the wiring inside. So anyway, it lasted two years. It cost about $25 or something like that. So I bought myself a replacement for this winter from Walmart, and the size of this thing is as you can see, 57 inches long and 39 inches wide, and this mattress is like 30 inches wide and 70 inches long, so it's a little bit off. And as you can see it on the picture, it's designed more to drive and keep this thing just to cover your lap. I mean, so maybe for some of you could be a good idea. For me, I'm warm enough when I'm driving. I don't need anything like that, but when I'm sleeping. So I'm gonna be unpacking this today and gonna show you how much voltage it takes with my Jackery. Yes, it's still working, still happy with it. So when I plugged in, that's the 12 volt charger over here. Fooled me a little bit. See, the display right now is at 0 watts, but when you turn on over here without even plugging anything in, it shows that it's drawing already. This switch already taken 1 watt. I hope it's right here. I think it's visible at this point. So when I plug in, it shows that it's charging, but the voltage didn't change. So this one, somewhere one of the lines already broken. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm not gonna throw it away, still extra layer for me, you know, for my mattress. This one comes in a pretty nice bag over here, and I'm assuming it should be about the same size. So as you can see it, I haven't used this one yet. So the length about the same, and the width is still wider than I need to, except this one coming already with the fancier switch. It has high, off, low, and I guess that's the heat. So you can turn it either on low heat or high heat or off. 3 positions the switch has. So let's see how much power does this one. Okay, so we're red light is on, and let's try with the low. 46 watts on the low end, off, and high 59, 58, 59. So not a whole lot of difference. 45 versus 58. So when it's gonna be like super cold winter, I'm still planning to actually run vehicle. So this is gonna be just an addition to what I have right now. So that's what it looks like, and I don't know if any of you are using this blanket the way I do, and obviously I can tell you right now that this is not the way it was designed, but even like that it lasted for me 2 years, and I think it got damaged when I was actually not using as my sheet, really, not the blanket, but I think I broke it when I was folding it inside that package that it was designed. So anyway, like I said, I'm still happy. Lasted for me about 2 years, and it cost like $23 or $24, so about $10 for a whole winter. I think it's still a good deal. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and if you needed to know this information, you're welcome.